Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a breakfast low carb burrito. It's going to be very delicious. You see here in my breakfast burrito, I'm going to add eggs. I'm going to use the Mission Carb Balance, and they are low carb flour tortillas. A little bit of mozzarella. I'm going to cook a potato, cut up some avocado. I'm going to add some cheddar jack cheese, and I like to finish it off with a little picante sauce and also some green sauce, which is very good. You can choose any type of brand that you like, and actually you can put anything in your breakfast burrito. I'm not going to put sausage or bacon in it. Of course, that makes it delicious. But today we're just going to stay pretty much with the egg and potato. And then we're going to add the cheese and the avocado. And it's just going to be very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prepare my potato. I'm going to cut up my avocado. And I'm also going to scramble my eggs. Okay. Okay, so now I have my potatoes cooking. I cube them. You can cut them in any shape that you would like. I like to cook them in small pieces because it cooks faster that way. And I added my little special seasonings that I like to add to them. I'm not going to add any bell pepper or onion to it today. It's because I don't have any. But it's still delicious. Okay, so I want to show you some of the seasonings I like to use. But of course you can customize it to the way that you want. I did use a little bit, probably about 1/4 of a tablespoon of all the ingredients of oregano leaves, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley, and also some paprika. This makes a nice, delicious seasoning for your potatoes, so when you put them in your breakfast burrito. This is a low carb breakfast burrito. Still, the only thing that you have that's carbs is really your potatoes. And you can just add a few of these. Now, if you really want to go even more low carb, you can just maybe make some bacon or some sausage, even ham, instead of your potatoes, and put it into your burrito. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a cover over it and let them kind of steam a little bit so they can get cooking. And then you want your heat kind of on maybe about a 4 or medium low. And as you see, I did dice up my avocado. It's so delicious. But you can also do without it if you want. Sometimes avocado can be expensive, but it's really delicious and it's also healthy. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare and I'm going to scramble my eggs. Okay. So these are potatoes finished. I only did 1 small potato because I'm only cooking for myself today. So I also wanted to add that I did put a little bit of extra light virgin olive oil to cook the potatoes in instead of using butter. Okay, so what I did, I scrambled my eggs. I added a little bit of milk. I like to add milk when I'm scrambling my eggs. I have the eggs in a bowl. I add a little salt and pepper, and that's it. Milk, salt, and pepper. I put a little bit. I like to use that. I can't believe it's not butter. And honestly, it's really good. Okay. So we have our pan here on about medium high. And we just want to scramble the eggs in here. Okay. Oops, don't go anywhere. Alrighty. And breakfast burritos are so fun. They're delicious. I'm going to take this off the heat so the eggs won't continue to cook. Eggs cook very quickly. Now we're going to warm up our tortilla. Actually, I'm going to warm it up in the microwave. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on it, and I'm going to add a little cheese onto my eggs. Okay, you guys, so I warmed my tortilla in the microwave for about 20 seconds. If you have a smaller tortilla, this tortilla is pretty large. They have smaller ones. You might not need to warm them as many seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And then we just want to start building our breakfast burrito. Some people also call them breakfast tacos. I like to call it a burrito. So we're going to add our egg. And like I told you, I added cheese to my eggs while they were hot so it could melt nicely. I like eggs. We'll put a lot of that on there. A little bit more here. And the cheese is all melty, which is good. Okay, so we're going to come over here and grab some more potatoes. Sometimes when I'm really feeling like a little naughty, I'll have bacon, sausage, I'll have the works, potatoes, everything on it. That'll be like a nice Sunday treat before you go to church. I also like to use sprinkle a little bit of parsley over my eggs and potatoes. Just a little bit. So delicious. Now we're going to add, oops, I dropped a piece. We're going to add our avocado. I'm telling you, avocado on it, when it starts, it's the egg is like warm and the avocado starts to kind of get a little melty a little bit, and it's just like, it's almost like it creates its own sauce. It is so delicious. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, so now I'm going to add some salsa. I like to have some on the side too here. Put a little salsa in there. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of salsa on top of my burrito. It's a big burrito. You have to hold it while you eat it because it will come apart. But hey, those are the best ones, right? Nice fat burrito. And I'm just going to scoop out and put a little bit of the salsa on top of the burrito here. I put some on the side too because I like a lot of salsa. I don't think I'm going to use my green salsa today, but use whatever type of salsa you want. I actually have the paste pecani. I like the hot. This one is actually chunky. It's really good. Okay, you guys. That's a good looking burrito here. Okay, so let me see if I can. Okay, see, you're going to have to hold it when you eat it. It's okay, though. It's going to be good, I promise you. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And give me some ideas of some things that you want me to cook for you. Love you. Have a great day.